All right, sir. The food is delicious. We are all from Andhra and we are enjoying Tamil food and culture. ரொம்ப பயங்கர பிரமாதம் நல்லா இருக்கு. You can see this. That is how much we are satisfied with the food. Sambar is excellent. Thank you.
Sai Hasini caterers have done a great job. The taste is too good and the service is fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah. And it was very authentic. We always wanted this Iyengar food. We want to taste this, but yeah, today we did that. It's very awesome.